Hello friends, today I will discuss about smoking. So smoking, all of you know that it is not good for health, it is injurious to health, it causes various diseases, and it is linked to a high risk of several diseases including cancers, say cardiovascular disease like heart attacks, strokes, and several other diseases like of lungs including lung cancer, COPD, asthma. So many of these illnesses can increase. But despite this, what we see is that the number of the prevalence of smoking is still high both among men and women. So what are some of the new research highlights which have been published recently? So one of the studies has come about the impact of smoking on actual lifespan. So it has been just published a few days back, and what was shown is that a single cigarette can shorten the lifespan by 20 minutes. So you can imagine the number of cigarettes smoked and how much impact it can have. So if a person continues to smoke throughout the life, it can shorten the lifespan by as much as 10 years in men and almost 11 years among women. So both genders suffer, and this lifespan, or what we are talking about, is the healthy lifespan. So because we know that in older age many people have disabilities, and they are not fully physically active. So smoking results in the loss of healthy lifespan. So in putting in other words, a 60-year-old smoker will have the same physical status like a 70-year-old non-smoker. So it will lead to premature aging also. So that is the impact on the lifespan. But all is not bad. If a smoker decides to quit smoking today, so you can imagine that each cigarette that he doesn't smoke will result in saving of say 20 minutes of life. And it could, if a person has been smoking, let's say just one pack in a day, so that person at the end of 1 year of not smoking, he can salvage almost 50 days of his life that he would have lost if he had continued to smoke. So there is no good time to stop smoking. It can be today. If you are a smoker, stop smoking today, and then increase your longevity, increase your healthy lifespan, and try to reduce all your illnesses that increase with the smoking. The second thing I want to highlight about smoking is the impact on the finances. So one thing, you all know that every cigarette which you buy, it costs money. So you need to spend money to buy cigarettes. The second thing, you also know that cigarette smoking can cause illnesses, and when you go to doctors, go for medicines or surgery, the treatment costs are expensive. We all talk about health costs are spiraling. So this is one thing where you spend not only on the cigarettes but also on the treatment which is caused by the smoking. The third thing what has been found recently is that smokers, they have lesser earnings also. So one of the recent studies published showed that with every pack year, so if they smoke just one pack of cigarettes, so in a year they have almost 1.8% lower earnings compared to those who are non-smoker, and also the number of years that one can be employed, so that also reduces by 0.5% for every pack year. So these are the three different ways one can get hit by smoking. So smoking not only improves your health, makes you healthier, but also it is good for your financial aspects. It can help you save a lot of money, where you can enter the old age in a healthy shape, and also you'll have a little bit of financial corpus to take care of old age. So if you are not smoking, you are doing well. Try not to smoke ever. If you are a smoker, today is the day when you should stop smoking, and then try to get healthy life.